Hello everybody, Dr. Samuel here again, and in this video we continue to look at the solutions to the CSEC Maths examination of July 2021, and we are moving on to question number 2, part A. The question reads, two quantities M and T are related as follows. N equals the square root of T. Part 1, find the value of N when T equals 49. This first question is the substitution part of basic algebra in CSEC mathematics. All we have to do, replace the T with its value given 49. So therefore, if we do that, we will get N equals the square root of 49. And so all we have to do is find the square root of 49. If you don't know it offhand, you have your calculator, just calculate it, and you are going to get the answer as 7. Because 7 squared is 49. Now actually, in algebra, the square root of a number is supposed to have two values, a plus value and a minus value. So the answer is really plus 7 or minus 7. But then as the question says, find the value, not the values of N, it means that they only want one answer, and when they only want one answer, we use the positive value, 7. So that is part 1. Let us go on to part 2. Part 2 asked to make T the subject of the formula. That's in the same equation, N equals the square root of T. Now, this is the part of basic algebra called changing the subject of a formula. All you need to do is rearrange the equation to allow T to be on one side, and it is expressed in terms of the other unknowns, which in that case is M. How do we do this? We look at the side with T and we see we have the square root of T. How do you get T from the square root of T? We square it. If we square the square root of T, we will end up with T. If you don't understand, just think of a real number. The square root of 9 is 3. 3 squared is 9. They are opposites. Okay? So therefore, we simply have to square both sides to find T. When we square the left side, it will become N squared. When we square the right side, the square root of the square of the square root of T, it is just T. So we have expressed T in terms of M, and that is the answer. If you want to, you can, normally we put the subject of the formula on the left side, you can put it as T equals N squared, but even though you leave it like this, it is the answer. Thank you. We'll move on to the next part. Question 2, part B. Question reads, Ali is X years. Jim is 5 years older than Ali, and Chris is twice as old as Ali. Part 1, write expressions in terms of X for Jim's age and Chris's age. So this really is is testing your ability to write an algebraic expression based on information given. So here you have to write an expression in terms of x, obviously, for Jim's age. Since Ali is x years and Jim is 5 years older, you will simply have to add 5 years to Ali's age in order to get Jim's age. So Jim's age is x, Ali's age, plus 5. And put the units, which is years. And that is it. Jim's age. Do the same for Chris's age. Look at the sum. Chris is twice as old as Ali. Therefore, if Ali is x years, Chris will be 2 times x. And in algebra, we write 2 times x simply as 2x years. And that's it. We are going to go on to part 2 in the next video. So thank you. If you like these videos, please press the like button and the subscribe button. I will see you all next time.